All right, you guys, just wrapping up my open house. I'll pause the vacuum real quick. A lot of foot traffic in here today. We almost had 40 groups come through in the last 48 hours. So 15 groups yesterday, 20 groups today on a Sunday. And let me give you guys a little market update, what I'm seeing out there, because by the time you see it on the news, it's too late. So I'm here out in the trenches at open houses, seeing what buyers see and studying the data. And let me talk to you guys about the tale of two markets. So number one takeaway from this, the buyers are in the market are super price sensitive. So homes that are going under contract fast, homes that are going into contract, sold, priced well, priced right, those are going average 8 days on the market. One open house, getting offers on it, multiple offers, that's still happening. So this is no exception right here, Mulberry, the end of a cul-de-sac. This one we came on the market at 135. So very good price. The market has responded. 40 groups in here. Probably I'll doubt if I have to do another open house here again. So this one's going to be gone quick. And we have another story 5 houses down of a home, same street. That one came on at 1.5 and it's at 31 days on the market right now. So if you price it too high, too aggressively high, the buyers are really price sensitive out there right now, and they will pass on it, they will wait. And what we're seeing is for those homes that come on the market too high, about 47 days on market average. I'm seeing homes for like 100 days on market. It's crazy. So on average, Santa Cruz County, 2 price reductions before those get into contract, 47 days on average market. So those ones are sitting. So when you price a home too high as a seller, you're chasing that market down. No good. If you're pricing the home well, competitively, you'll get tons of people in here, 40 groups, probably multiple offers first day or first week I'm in. So that's really what I'm seeing out there, and talking to a lot of the buyers too, who have gotten beaten out on homes. So that's something I noticed too. Like you hear the news like, oh, market is soft, all that like doom and gloom. But a lot of the buyers, probably 4 groups of buyers that came through today, were saying, oh yeah, we've gotten beaten out like all year. There was a home in Midtown, we thought we were coming in aggressive. Turns out it went 300,000 over asking. So hot market, and at the opposite side, overpriced, staying on the market. So as a buyer, really important to know about off-market homes coming on the market before they hit the market, and being out there, being ready, being pre-approved, going through inspections, being quick to it. But also, if you guys, so certain situations, I talked to another lady who needs to sell her house, and she was interested in this one, but she's still got to sell the house. So I don't know if she's going to be able to compete with people who come in, offer cash for this one. But if she does, she's likely going to need to offer 50,000, 100,000 over. That's what I'm seeing. So if you have a home you need to sell, 50, 100,000 over, if you want to compete with those cash offers that are coming in as well. Because as a seller, most important thing you care about is price, obviously. Second most important thing is the close of escrow, shorten close of escrow. They want a done, certain deal. They don't really want to wait for you to sell your house, so you kind of got to come in aggressive on price. And of course, 50 to 100,000 isn't like the answer. It all depends on what the home is, what the competition is, all that stuff. But contingent homes, so we shall see. But also, as a buyer, if you're in a situation like that where you have a home that you need to sell, maybe start looking, if you don't want to come in that aggressive, overpay to get the home, maybe start looking at those homes that are 47 days on market, and you've got way more negotiating power there. So just some food for thought. That is the market, the tale of two markets, you guys. So this one's probably going to go quick. Priced it well. Price is marketing. So that is something that I really want to drive home to sellers. Pricing, the way the home is presented, it looks really nice. So that is it, you guys. If you have any other questions about the market, want to know what's going on in your neighborhood, reach out to me. Follow my off-market channel here. You guys will know about the homes before they hit the market. Other than that, you guys, take care. Another beautiful Sunday. Talked to 40 groups this weekend. Pretty tired. Gonna go to the beach though. All right, you guys. Talk soon.